This summer, beat the heat with chilled, sweet, light and luscious fruit cream. This instant dessert needs no cooking, no baking. Just simple medley of seasonal fresh fruits will refresh and soothe your body and mind. Take a cold bowl and add heavy cream into it, 33% or 35%, or any other fresh cream. Add powdered sugar or icing sugar and whisk it well. Adjust sugar according to your preference. Then add halved grapes, oranges, chopped pineapple, chopped mango, apples. You can add any other fruit of your choice like banana, chiku, black grapes, etc. But avoid putting any kind of melon as it will overpower the flavor and make it watery as well. Then add final ingredient, pomegranate seeds. Mix everything well. Cover it and put it in refrigerator for a couple of hours or until chilled. When dish out, garnish it with fresh fruits, saffron strands, and soaked and chopped almonds. Enjoy this extremely delicious dessert with your loved ones. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.